Hi everyone, welcome to Edtech with JRep. I'm Javier Rabagliati and I'm here to show you how to get rid of an image's background online. Let's go! Removing an image background can be really helpful, and sure, there are a lot of mobile apps out there, but what if you could do it online on your computer? Open up a new Google Chrome tab and type in remote.bg and you'll get to this page. Once there, you can upload an image either by clicking on the button, dragging and dropping a file, or pasting an image or link from your clipboard. Once the image has uploaded, it would automatically get rid of the image background. If you're happy with the automatic result, you can click on download and you will have your background-free image on your computer. If you're not happy with the automatic result, click on the edit button and you can apply some blur effects, add a new background, upload your own background, or fine-tune which parts of the image will be erased. You can zoom in closer to your image, or if you make a mistake, you can always undo and redo your changes step by step. Once you're happy with the results, click on the download button, then click download image, and then you'll get to save your background-free image onto your computer. And that's it. I hope you found this helpful. Bye!